कल्चर के पूरे यूनिट 1 में अपन लोगों ने डिटेल में प्लांट उत्तक संवर्धन प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर के बारे में डिस्कस किया था, पढ़ा था। बेसिकली द प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर में कई स्टेप्स होते हैं, टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स एंड प्रोटोप्लास्ट कल्चर एंड सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स एंड somatic embryogenesis, and there are so many chapters in plant tissue culture. Today we will discuss about the virus free plant production. Virus free plants production. Virus free plant production means you can't remove virus by any pesticide. You cannot remove virus. You cannot kill the virus with the help of any type of chemical. In general, you can kill the bacteria, you can kill the insects, you can kill the fungi, but you cannot kill the virus by the treatment of any chemical or pesticides. Only the tissue culture or the culture technique, you can produce plants without viruses. So, in this, first of all, let me discuss about all the pathway of plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture we have discussed cell culture. We have discussed about callus culture. We have discussed about protoplast culture. Discussed about somatic embryogenesis. Haploid plant production. Haploid culture. But one thing is the shoot tip or meristem culture. Meristem, and we say apical meristem culture. This is the technique by which we can produce virus-free plants. In all the earlier discussions, we have studied in detail, but the meristem culture or apical meristem culture is the method by which we can produce the plants devoid of viruses. Let me discuss about the historical background of meristem culture. In meristem culture, the first of all, the Morel and Martin in 1952 for the first time developed the technique of meristem culture in Dahlia and produce virus-free plants. In 1952, these two scientists, they have cultured the meristem and they suddenly got that these plants are virus-free plants. After this discovery, in a number of plant species, the meristem culture was performed and the virus-free plants were recovered. Now, there is a certain procedure of meristem culture. in plant tissue culture technique. So we first start with the methodology or techniques of virus-free plant production or method of virus-free plant production. Method, protocol, technique of meristem culture for production of virus-free plant. In most of the angiosperms, especially in ornamental plants and in horticultural plants, there is a problem of viral diseases. And due to the infection of virus, these plants, especially in ornamental plants, the flower color may be changed, the flower shape may be changed, flower size may be changed. And in fruits, due to the viral infection, the fruit shape, size, yield and the total biochemical composition of fruit may be changed due to the viral species. So this is the main problem in ornamental or horticultural plants and in angiosperms. So especially in angiosperms, to culture the meristem, first of all you have to collect the shoot tip or apical part of shoot. A shoot tip, if you have a shoot tip, this is a shoot tip. Externally, the pair of leaf, this is the shoot tip. First you collect the shoot tip, wash with distilled water in lab and then bring it to the laminar flow bench and you surface sterilize the shoot apex, shoot tip. Then, because meristem is present in a deep on the shoot tip, the meristem is covered with leaves, leaf primordia. If you see the meristem, then you will find that this is, for example, anatomical structure. Then you will get this is the meristematic cell. This is leaf primordia. Then one pair of leaf, meristem. In this process, you have to first, after surface sterilization of shoot apex, you have to, under the aseptic conditions in laminar flow, you have to remove the leaves one by one and then leaf primordia. And finally, you will get a shoot, a dome-shaped structure that is called meristem. Finally, you pick the meristem by dissecting the leaf primordia and pair of leaves. Then this shoot tip, after, now you need not to surface sterilize the meristem because it is already free of microbes, because it is within the well covered, well protected by the leaves, pair of leaves. So this meristem, which you have dissected out from the apical shoot, you have to transfer it to a suitable culture medium. When you transfer you have inoculate the meristem, and and then suitable culture medium. This finally it will produce, may be produced depending on your target. Maybe carelessly, direct plant can be careless, plantlet can be produced, and then from directly you will get a plant, and this is called virus free. The question is, we have produced plant through plant auxiliary bud. We produce plant from organogenesis. We produce plant from somatic embryogenesis. We produce plant from protoplast culture. But they may not be, they might not be virus free. But why the plant developed from mesh-stem culture is virus free? The question, why the plants produced through mesh-stem cultures are virus free? The question raised, you student will ask me, why these plants are virus free plants? Why not? The plants developed through other pathways in tissue culture are not virus free, and the plants produced through mesh-stem cultures are virus free because number one, meristematic cells divide rapidly. इनकी इतनी फास्ट ग्रोथ होती है, समटाइम the multiplication rate of virus is lesser than the multiplication rate of or division rate of mesh-stem cells. And most important is, there is no plasmodesmatal connections in meristematic cells. मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स के अंदर किसी भी प्रकार का प्लाज्मोडेस्माटल कनेक्शन नहीं होता है. मीन्स दीज सेल्स, मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स, जो कि दूसरी सेल्स के साथ इनका प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा के थ्रू किसी भी प्रकार का एक्सचेंज और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नहीं होता है. दे divide 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and then they divide rapidly without any plasmodesmatal connections. If virus is present in another cell, it cannot be entered to the meristematic cell due to the lack of plasmodesmata. So the main reason, when you pick the meristematic cell and there is no plasmodesmatal connections between this in the meristematic cells, it means virus cannot enter into the meristematic cells from other cells. So these cells will remain free from virus, and the plant developed through these viruses are totally free from bacteria, viruses. So this is all about the procedure, how you produce plant through meristem culture, and these plants are free of viruses, no viruses there, and by which you can produce lots of virus free plants. तो मेथड आपने देखा, समझा, कारण क्या है, इसमें क्यों, वो भी आपने पूरा डिस्कस किया. नाउ first of all, there is, what are the application of virus free plants? Number one, the application of virus free plants are मेरिस्टेम कल्चर, पहला एप्लीकेशन यही है, यू कैन गेट वायरस फ्री प्लांट प्रोडक्शन. Second, if these are virus free plants, then you can conserve the virus free plant material. We can conserve the virus free plant cells, tissues. You grow them and you can conserve them, you can store them, you can preserve them in low temperature, and that is called as cryopreservation. Generally, if you preserve any part of the plant or you by cryopreservation technique, there are some viruses, but the cultures developed through meristem culture, meristem, and you then preserve it under very low temperature, then there will not be any viruses. It eliminates the virus. These are the application of meristem culture. You can produce large number of plantlets in vitro which are disease free, especially virus free. This is again means through micropropagation. Third, fourth, there is one very good application of meristem culture is due to they are virus free plants in plant breeders. In plant breeding में जब ब्रीडर्स आर्टिफिशियल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन करवाते हैं टू गैमेट्स का, जनरली if there is the two plants which is to be hybridized, उसमें वायरल का इन्फेक्शन हो, वायरस का इन्फेक्शन हो, then जो उससे हाइब्रिड बनेगा, नई वेराइटीज बनेगी, they will be infected by the virus. But the breeders, if they take the plants through meristematic cultures and then they breed together, then there will not be any virus or disease in the plants. In breeding research, in breeding, the virus meristem culture, the plant developed through meristem cultures are very important, very useful. Fifth, generally आप क्या करते हो, जब प्लांट्स को आपको एक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करना है, you have to export the plant in foreign country. You can spray to kill the bacteria, you can spray to kill the fungi, you can give a number of systemic fungicide to kill the fungi in vascular system. You can spray the insecticide to remove the insect, but you cannot spray, there is no spray to kill the virus within the plant. Then in these conditions there will be a problem of quarantine. Quarantine means they analyze the plant and they will not allow you to export the plant with any disease. So quarantine is the main thing. These plants are quarantine free plants. Means the plant developed through a tissue, developed through meristem cultures, they are quarantine plants. Means they are already free of any disease, there is no infections, there is no pathogen. So these are application of virus free plants. तो वायरस फ्री प्लांट्स में सबसे बड़ी जो प्रॉब्लम आती है वो होती है हाउ टू डिसेक्ट द मेरिस्टेम। मेरिस्टेम में कई ऐसे प्लांट्स होते हैं, जैसे फाइकस है, उसमें मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स बड़ी होती है, शूट टिप बड़ी होती है. इट इज वेरी इजी to recover to dissect out, to excise the meristeme. But in some of the plants, the meristematic cells and shoot tips are very small. So, the main thing is how you dissect out the meristematic cells and you culture. Because in particularly in tissue culture technique, जहाँ पर आप बहुत छोटी मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल, एक सिंगल सेल को कल्चर कर रहे हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स को कर रहे हैं, तो यू हैव टू यूज प्योरीफाइड मीडियम. आपको टिश्यू कल्चर में एक बहुत ही प्योरीफाइड मीडियम यूज में लेना पड़ता है, मीन्स जिसका 100% न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू. तब तो यू हैव टू टेक लॉट ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस ड्यूरिंग the tissue culture of meristematic cells or culturing of meristematic cells. So this is all about the how to culture, why virus is not present in the meristem culture and application of meristem culture. Thank you very much.